Welcome everyone to an historic day for the University of South Florida.
Our installation of this chapter, Ada of Florida, is the culmination of years of hard work and years of determined effort to make this a better university. Phi Beta Kappa is the nation's oldest and most distinguished academic honor society. It's an honor society that celebrates achievement and excellence in the liberal arts and sciences. Students come from the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of the Arts in our case. So these are some of our very, very best students here at USF, certainly among the very best at the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of the Arts. But it's not just about grade average, it's about the kind of curriculum you take, the ways in which you challenge yourself, and whether or not your curriculum really encapsulates the spirit of Phi Beta Kappa. For our students, this means that they are attending and graduating from a university that has been reviewed very, very extensively by Phi Beta Kappa and has been found to meet the very highest standards of academic excellence. Judy Ginshaft has been one of the leaders of this effort. She has been the person who has inspired us all to continue in this effort and has been a great champion of our effort to shelter a chapter of Phi Beta Kappa. We're all very, very grateful to her for her leadership and her inspiration in pursuing this goal.